One national asset protection company wey dem dey call Pipeline Infrastructure Nigeria Limited don carry waka meet with stakeholders of communities for Orashi region of Rivers State to touchlight and look for ways dem go take protect the Orashi section of the Trans-Niger Pipeline wey fall under Zone 6 to Zone 8 of the area wey dem dey cover. Una go remember say some years ago, the communities wey dey around Niger Delta region don suffer from pollution wey don destroy their environment, join the Tifi pipeline vandalism and illegal refining wey dey happen for the area, and that one come make the people come cry meet Niger government say make dem come help dem find solution and ways wey dem go fit take stop the illegal pipeline vandalism. Now this one come make National Asset Protection Company Pipeline Infrastructure Nigeria Limited enter the matter, and for the last 6 months, members of the community wey dey around the Orashi region of Rivers State don confirm say since the company come, the Tifi pipeline vandalism and illegal refining don reduce, and dem dey happy with the company. Chimezie wey be one of the community stakeholders wey talk to 3 people control salute give Pipeline Infrastructure Nigeria Limited wey dem take build surveillance camp for their zone to help them with more security. He con still beg them say make them improve for the area of manpower and logistics, and say their people dey ready gidigba to work.
I also have to thank the company because they have also tried in their own way. Security firstly is a thing for all. As a community, the main reason of you being a community leader is for you to be able to secure your community, secure your environment. So other than them bringing surveillance for us, we are already surveillance in those lines. So for pipeline infrastructure to still bring more security, put up a camp around our zone, I think it's a good one. I give them kudos for that. But we still request that they should increase the manpower and then the logistics too. The bike in which the surveillance officials use in patrolling the line, let them add more. Let them put more staffs. Our people are ready to work.
Another community person, 303 community chief, constitute salute give the company. In talk say,
Pipeline Infrastructure Nigeria Limited is one of the best we have seen so far in Nigeria. We in the Ebema Zone 6 of the operational area, we like what they have done because the interface will now give the company feedback on what they should do to secure their pipelines better. So from time to time, I would suggest let them gather the leadership of the Ebema community or the different communities, the Trans-Niger pipeline communities, let them interface and know the problem areas, their strengths and their weaknesses with a view to correcting them.
The National Asset Protection Company don already stand surveillance gidigba for the Trans-Niger pipeline for about 128 communities for Abia, Rivers, Imo and Bayelsa State. Dem dey hope to put a stop to the Tifi pipeline vandalism and illegal refining for these communities. From Rivers State, A. Carter, Ojesele, TMC TV News.